Hello dear students, in the previous chapter we have discussed about the continent Europe. Today we are going to learn about the diverse continent where there are extensive deserts, dense forest, and the continent which has the world's longest river and largest desert. And this continent has certain wild animals which we do not find in our country. And it has numerous large lakes and a grassland stretching across thousands of miles, and the world's largest gold and diamond mines are situated in this continent. Often this continent known as the dark continent. This is the second largest continent in the world. The continent name is Africa. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the continent Africa. So Africa is the cradle of human being. Means human beings are first evolved in this continent, later on moved to other continent. So before knowing more about the continent Africa, let us find out the location of Africa in world map. Dear students, you can see here, this is the world map which shows all 7 continents of the world. One of them colored with green, that is the Africa, which we are going to learn. Now let us see the boundaries of Africa. To the north of Africa, Mediterranean Sea, and to the west of Africa, Atlantic Ocean. To the southeast of Africa, Indian Ocean, and northeast, Red Sea. So these are the boundaries of Africa. Africa is separates from Europe by Strait Gibraltar. And this Africa is separates from Asia by Suez Canal and Red Sea. Dear students, you will be surprised to know that Africa is the only continent which part of 4 hemispheres. Now let us see how it is. 0 degrees latitude is called equator. This line divides whole world into 2 halves. North part of equator is called northern hemisphere. South part of equator called southern hemisphere. You can see here Africa is in both hemisphere. Okay. 0 degrees longitude is called prime meridian line. This line also divides whole world into 2 halves. Eastern part of prime meridian line is called eastern hemisphere. West part of prime meridian line is called western hemisphere. You can see here Africa has in both hemisphere. So that we call Africa is the only continent which part of 4 hemisphere. The 3 main latitudes that are 23.5 degrees latitude called Tropic of Cancer, and 0 degrees latitude called Equator, and 23.5 southern latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. These 3 main latitudes are passes through continent Africa. This zone has a different name, that is tropical region. What we call tropical region. Okay. So dear students, this is our today's topic. In next class, we will going to learn about the climate of Africa. Today's assignment is draw a map of Africa and find out the countries where from the equator is passes through. Okay, thank you.